Erabani Polson Okidena Gokioga, Gregory Oscar, Agecha, Ngesabuiti Tigogonu, Kobalebe, Apotiboro, Loaja Sobasi Keronomosi, Kwenye Apotidwe, Kaisishana Kinakakech, Akuata.
Preliminary findings indicate that the bus here above referred was carrying 70 students and 13 teachers of Palisa girls traveling back to Palisa district from Ceres Musical Festival, and that during the journey, the rear tire burst and caught fire, which quickly spread to the whole bus. The students and the teachers were safely evacuated with no injuries to any occupants. However, all property on board was a total write-off. The police fire brigade responded swiftly to manage the scene and put off the flaming bus, which has been reduced to a shell.
Emanmana ni somero ko Palisa Jessica Ojangole ngesi abala ebe abwe kampuni lo kakise okelo na chebasi ti idwelu kai mwalimu aitosomo adoli Palisa konye apotokuria kata adokari Toma neda apotoperotori okanse de pelo yapianen aitodolo nantupuruch.
Those people tell us that they first felt had a very big sound. I think the tire burst. Then they started out smelling something. I think they first smelled something, a smell of a tire. Then after a few meters, it burst. Then one child peeped to see what was happening. But the driver was still driving. So one child peeped through the window and he saw some burning, fire burning. He said, you people, the tire, as if the bus has caught fire. Actually said the bus has caught fire. Till now when they all stopped, then the teachers now were inside there helping evacuating the children from the what? From the bus. We passed through the windows and we had to pass through the windows, others through the doors. By the time they finished saving the children, now going to the property, they could not, the fire had spread.
Harokosipo sinukongoram, etingtose musagolo, enaba, ita ira, akasakani, truck, iare, enoti, iuni, kanwaingich. Karada apudatie somerebeti otachaki na kesi bolo luatwaki ya si. Deluxe Emi Alamu, Kanuka TV East.